Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about removable core locks again, but the primo of primo. Almost as good as an Olympus lock. They're called Wesko. Wesko. They're made in Canada. They're all through the US. Wesko is a super brand. We're talking major stuff here. Good quality, great cores. Even the cores are dipped in like chrome. They're beautiful. You're going to find these all through the US on casework, lockers, things like this. I just installed this beautiful Wesko in less than 30 seconds on this locker. The problem is you have a key. You have a core. You can pull the core on these beautiful Weskos and you can replace them with electronic locks. If you're working in any large facilities, and you're a cabinet guy or you're a locksmith and you walk in with keyed locks, you have to use an electronic lock. If you come on to a facility and they say, hey, we have a bunch of these Weskos, can you pull out these locks and replace them with electronic locks? And you say, absolutely, no problem. Best of all, I can pull the cores out, put an electronic lock in, and leave all the beautiful West Coast stuff behind. If you have lockers, if you have file cabinets, where all these Weskos are all working on different drawers and all kinds of cool stuff, you can put an electronic lock that will go in place of this nuisance key, okay? Nuisance. Micro IQ CT lock will go right on this lock. It'll mount right over the face of this lock. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Do you really want nuisance keys or do you want a push button lock? I say push button lock. If I ran across a bunch of furniture that had Wesko lock, Compex locks, Timberline locks, any of these type of locks, pulled out the core and I put in a Micro IQ CT lock. That's what you do. We have this beautiful Wesko all installed. Great little lock. It has a spring action in the back. Removable core. And see the tip on that? There's a reason why you want to know that. There's certain spindles that go in the back. The Wesko has like a horseshoe spindle. And this one matches. You go into a facility and you start installing keyed locks. They're not going to be your friends very long. They want electronic locks. So go with electronic locks. Go with Micro IQ CT. It'll go right in place of this beautiful Wesko. You won't have to take off any of the mechanism. All you have to do is yank all the cores like a bad tooth throughout the facility, and you can then put a brand new Micro IQ electronic lock in its place. That's my tip for the day. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I have more door and lock tips like this Wesko replacement or install in the future. Thank you.